Hi everyone, Johnny Rowe Cooks, and today we're gonna make a very simple egg yolk dish. This is called soy sauce cured egg yolks. It's a Japanese style egg yolk that I'm gonna show you, and it's unreal. So good, so easy to prep. It takes only 1 minute, and then after a few hours, you're gonna have this soy cured umami packed egg yolk, and it's so good. It's raw, but it gets cured by the salt of the soy sauce, and then the longer you wait, up to 2 days, the better it tastes. I'm gonna show you how it's done. First thing you wanna do is separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Here's our first egg. There's one. Ah, I cracked it, dang. One right in the middle. There you have it. 7 eggs that we're gonna cure. The next thing we're gonna do is add our simple ingredients, which is soy sauce and mirin. These will go in a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts soy sauce, 1 part mirin. Please refrain from throwing away these scraps because they're really not scraps. Totally useful egg whites here for another time. 1/4 cup of soy sauce should be enough for 7 egg yolks. Next we have our mirin. And then I'm gonna add 1/2 cup. This is gonna give it a little bit of sweetness. So you got a salty, sweet mix here. Not too much sweetness, just enough to balance out that saltiness. Here are the egg yolks after sitting in the refrigerator overnight. I'm now individually flipping the yolks over so that the other side can absorb some of that soy mirin flavoring. Okay folks, so here's a very basic, easy, super very delicious, not even just very delicious, super very delicious way of eating these cured eggs. I'm gonna grab this guy right here. This is a very nice one. Ooh, hopefully I don't break it. There you go. Just add it right there on the center. That thing right there, that little thing alone is packed with so much flavor. Grab some green onions, which the Japanese called negi. Beauty. Sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds here. That is going straight into my belly. The texture of that yolk after it's cured after a couple of days. These are 2-day cured egg yolks, by the way. Fantastic. I just love how it gets like I guess a thicker texture. It's not as runny as fresh egg yolks would be.